Branches. Okay, main is a branch. You've been on it since you started. A branch is a label that tracks which commit you're on and moves forward with you as you commit. There's nothing special about the main branch except that it is the default branch. Creating a new branch means creating a new label that starts where main currently is. After that, commits on your new branch don't affect main at all. You can experiment, refactor, and rebuild without touching your stable code base. So when should you branch? Anytime you're working on something where you'd want the option to throw it out completely without disrupting what's working. Like a big refactor you're not sure about, a feature that'll span multiple sessions, any work you'd hate to see committed directly to main if Claude goes sideways mid-change. The command specifically is git switch -c and then your branch name. That -c creates the branch if it doesn't already exist. From there, you can work normally. Make your changes, commit, push, everything will land on that new branch. You could tell Claude Code to handle this without typing the command yourself. You can say, create a branch called scoring refactor and switch to it. It'll run that git switch -c scoring refactor code for you in the background. So you work, Claude commits to that branch, and then main stays clean. If you type git status and git diff, those are your checkpoints. Git status shows you what's changed and what's staged. Git diff shows the actual line level changes before you commit. Get in the habit of running those commands before you sign off on a commit. For naming, most people use kebab case because it's the most readable, like fix dash priority dash calculation. Some teams add feature slash something or bug slash. They use those prefixes. Either works, just pick one and stay consistent usually. One thing to clarify, an earlier episode in the series mentions not driving branch management from your coding tool. That caveat was specifically about Studio Source Control, which has its own flow for managing branches inside the platform. Terminal Git with Claude Code is a separate layer, and branching there works perfectly fine. Both can coexist in your workflow. Once you've got a branch with work that's ready to review or merge, the next step is a pull request, which we'll talk right now. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.